Hello friends, good morning and welcome to the channel. Myself Raj. Today in this video, I will show you how to create a schema in SQL Server. So basically, as part of this video tutorial, we are going to discuss multiple approaches to do this. Now what I'll do, I'll just navigate to my SQL Server Management Studio where I will open that SQL Server Management Studio and I will try executing few queries to do this. I will show you all these approaches one by one. Okay. Now let me navigate to the SQL Server Management Studio. You can able to see I have already logged into my SQL Server Management Studio and here is the test database for me. Okay. Now the approach one is what you can do. You can write a query to create a schema in SQL Server, right? So what you need to type, you need to type create schema and then specify the name of your schema. Okay, I will say London. So basically the syntax is create schema and then the schema name. Okay, now what you need to do, we need to execute this query and you can able to see command completed successfully. Now how you will know that it is actually created or not? What you can do, you can execute the select statement for that. Select the from is dot schemas, right? This one. So if I will go here, execute this particular query, you can able to see this is the seventh number one that we have created just now. That is the London one, right? So this is the basic approach or the simple approach to create a schema using the create schema statement, right? So basically, you need to specify this query to create the schema. So the second approach is what you can do. You can also use the SQL Server Management Studio UI approach to create a schema in SQL Server. Now, let me tell you one more approach here also. What you can do, you can just specify the owner name as well here, like schema owner name, right? So the query will be you need to type create schema, then the schema name say I will say XYZ, and then you need to specify then authorization, and then you need to specify the owner name. Okay, like this, you have to execute this particular query. Like you can specify the owner name along with the same query with this authorization parameter, right? So this is another approach to create a schema specifying the owner name. That owner belongs to that particular schema, right? So this is the second approach actually. So now the third approach is what you can do. You can also use the SQL Server Management Studio UI approach to create a schema in SQL Server. What you can do, you can just expand the database where you want to, create the schema, and then you can able to see the security tab, security folder here, right? So you can right click on the security folder and then you can mouse over on the new and you can able to see here schema, right? So just click on that. Now you need to specify the schema here, right? Say I will say XYZ, and then this is optional. Either you can specify any schema owner here. Okay, you can specify, type the name and click on the search button, you will get that. This is anyway optional, so just you need to provide the schema name and then click on the OK button. The moment you will do that, you can able to see it is done now. So if I'll go here and I will execute the select query again, you can able to see the 8 number that we have created just now, that is the XYZ schema, right? So these are the three simple approaches that you can utilize to create a schema in SQL Server. So that's it for today. I thought to quickly show you how to create a schema in SQL Server, and we have discussed here multiple approaches to do that. Now you can utilize the approach based on your requirement. Thanks a lot for watching this video. If you found this video little helpful for you, kindly subscribe to support us and you will get lots of free SQL Server tips. Thanks a lot and have a nice day. Bye bye.